Hello, so this is the part 2 of simultaneous equations. So in the previous video, we have discussed about basics of simultaneous equations, and in this video, we are going to discuss the harder elimination regarding simultaneous equations. So you can check the previous videos via the card here. So let's go to the video. And this is my first equation. 2p plus q equals 7. 3p plus 2q equals 11. So here, in the two equations, we don't have same numbers or the same quantities here. That means for the p variable, in the equation 1, we have 2p and equation 2, 3p. So for q, we have q and 2q. Those are not equal, no. So what we have to do first is we have to make a equal term. So to make a equal term, what I can do is I can multiply the equation number 1 by 2. So that will be 2p times 2 means 4p, ne? And here q times 2 is 2q. Then what we want to do is happening, no? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I am multiplying the equation 1 by number 2. Okay. So 2p plus q equals 7. This total equation is multiplied by 2. Then it will be 4p plus 2q, which is equal to 14. All the terms have to be multiplied. Okay. No need to write this step. I just wrote this step to clarify you what I am going to do. Okay. So this is very easy. You can just do the step in the question. Okay. So now I will mark this one as equation number 3. Now you have 3 equations. Equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So for the solution, you can use only the equation number 2 and the equation number 3 because here we have 2q in equation number 2 and 2q in equation number 3 also. Now this is a simple equation which we have discussed in the earlier video. Okay, this is easy. What we can do is I will subtract 3 and 2. Now this is easy, right? So number 3, 4p plus 2q subtract number 2, which is 3p plus 2q is equal to right hand side of number 3, 14 minus 11. Okay, we will take the answers. Now, here negative, no? Here negative because the subtraction mark is related to both the things. Here for 3p as well as for 2q also. So, positive 2q and negative 2q are simplified. 4p minus 3p means only 1p is remaining. And 14 minus 11 means answer is 3. So, we found the answer for p. Now, you can use the answer of p equal 3 to find the value of q. Okay, I will use this one and I will substitute to equation number 1. Substituting p equal 3 to equation 1. Okay. So, the equation 1 is 2p plus q equals 7. So, we know the value of p now. So, I will carry the question to here because I have no space there. So, 2p plus q equals 7. Now, p is 3. 2 times 3 means 6 plus q equals 7. I will carry the 6 to the other side. Then q is equal 7 minus 6 means, yes, that is 1. So, we got the answers for q, p and q. P equals 3 and q equals 1. That's it. The thing we done differently in this question is we made a new equation to simplify one variable. So our next equation, 9a plus 7b equals 10. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 3a plus b equals 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, so we have 9a and 3a. If I multiply 3a by 3, then it will become 9a, no? So what I'm going to is, I'm multiplying the equation number 2 by 3. Equation number 2 multiplied by number 3. Okay, we will write the answer here. 3a times 3 means 9a plus b times 3 means 3b equal 2 times 3 means 6. You have to multiply all the terms in the equation by that number. Okay. So the new equation is equation number 3. Now I'm going to use equation number 1 and equation number 3 to simplify the answers. Okay. So as both 9a's are positive, what I have to do is take in the difference, no? So I will subtract number 3 from number 1. That means 1 minus 3. Okay, 1, 9a plus 7b minus 3, that means 9a minus 3b equals to 10 minus 6. 9a and 9a are simplifying. So 7b minus 3b means 4b equals to 10 minus 6 means, yes, that is 4. Dividing both the sides by 4, b equals 1. We got the answer for b. Now I can substitute the value of b to any of the equation we have, either 1, 2 or 3, to find the value of a. So I will use the equation number 2. That is more easier. Substituting b equal 1 to equation number 2. So I am carrying the equation into here. Equation number 2, no, I will write the equation number 2. We have the answer for b. 3a plus b is 1 equal to, now I will carry this 1 to there. 3a equal 2 minus 1 means, yes, that is 1. Dividing both the sides by 3, then you will take the answer of a as 1 over 3. Answer of a is equal 1 over 3. Done. So our next question, 10x plus 4y equals 16. This is equation number 1. And 5x plus 3y equals 7. This is equation number 2. Now what we can do? Here 10 and 5 are there, no? So I will multiply equation number 2 by 2. 2 multiplied by number 2. Okay. So 2 times 5 means 10x plus 3y times 2 means 6y equals 40. This is my equation number 3. So I will use equation number 1 and equation number 3 to simplify x and y. So what we can do is 10x is positive in both equations. So I have to take the difference. So I will subtract 3 and 1. Now first is 3. 10x plus 6y minus 10x minus 4y equal 14 minus 16. Okay. Now you may think that why I subtracted 1 from 3. You may use the other way also, no? Okay. The thing I have done that one is, if I subtract 1 from 3, then the answer for y is positive, no? That's why. Even though the numerical answer is negative. Okay. So, just check. 10x and 10x are simplified. 6y minus 4y means 2y. That is positive, no? then that's easier. Equal 14 minus 16 means negative 2. I will divide both the sides by 2 now. 2 and 2 are simplified. Y is equal to negative 1. Y is equal to negative 1. So I will use the value of y to find x. I will use the equation number 2. Substituting y equal negative 1 to equation 2. 5x plus 3y equals 7. Okay, so 5x plus 3y. 3 multiplied by negative 1 means negative 3, no? Negative 3 equals 7. I will take this negative 3 to the other side. Then 5x will be equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10. Dividing both the sides by 5, then you will take the answer x equals 2. That's it, x equal 2. We will move to our next question. So our next question is 2x plus 5y equal 14. This is little bit harder. Equation 1. And my equation 2 is 7x plus 3y equals negative 9. Okay. So guys, here I have 2x and 7x. So I can't make 7x from 2x, no. So I can't multiply 2 by any number to take 7. And in the other way around, I can't multiply number 3y to take 5. So what I have to do is I have to make 2 new equations here. Okay. So either I can make y eliminated by taking the number to 15, or I can make x eliminated by taking the number to 14. I will think 15 is more easier. So I will eliminate y here. So what I am going to do is I will multiply equation 1 by 3 because 5 times 3 means 15. I am going to make the y into 15 and then eliminate. So we will multiply 1 by 3. 2x times 3 means 6x plus 15y equal 14 times 3. 4 times 3, 12. 1 is remaining. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. This is my equation number 3. And I am going to make equation number 4 by multiplying the equation 2 by 5. Okay. 7x times 5. 35x plus 15y equals negative 45. This is my equation number 4. So now I am going to simplify equation number 4 and 3 to take the answers. So I will use the other side here. 15y and 15y, I have same numbers here. But the thing is, both of them are positive. So what I have to do is, I have to subtract one from the other. So I will subtract. We do like this. 4 minus 3. So 35x plus 15y. Subtract 6x minus 15y equal negative 45 minus 42. Both are negative here. And 15y and 15y are simplifying. 35x minus 6x means 29x, right? Equals here 87, that is negative. Okay, I can divide both the sides by 29 now. 29 and 29 cancelling out, x equals negative 3. 29 times 3 is 87. That's it. So I can use the value of x to find y. I will use the equation number 1. Equation 1. Okay. So, in the same line, I will substitute. 2x, 2 times negative 3 means negative 6 plus 5y equal 14. Now, I will take 6 to there. 5y equals 14 plus 6 means 20. So, divide both the sides by 5. Then, y equals 4. Y equals 4. That's it. If this is a little bit harder, you can pause the video and do the notes. And also, you can watch that part again. You can repeat several times. Okay, so the last question we are going to discuss for this video is -7. This is equation 1. And 3x plus 2y equals 16. This is my equation number 2. This is the same equation like the previous one. We can't make x equal by making 3 to 4 or 4 to 3, and also y 2 to 3 or 3 to 2. We can't do that one. So we can make the number either 6y and eliminate, and or 12x and eliminate. So what I'm going to do is I am making 6y. So I will multiply the equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 3. Okay, so let's do it. 1 by 2. 4x times 2 means 8x. Minus 6y equals minus 14. This is my number 3. And equation number 2 multiplied by 3. So, 9x plus 6y equal 48. This is number 4. So, I will work with number 3 and number 4 equations to simplify x and y. So, here I have negative 6y and positive 6y. So, I can add both equations. Then 6y will be eliminated. Okay. So, 3 plus 4. 8x minus 6y plus 9x plus 6y equal negative 14 plus 48. Now, 6y simplified. 8x plus 9x, 17x equals here 34. Okay. Dividing both the sides by 17. Then 17 and 17 cancelling out. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. We got the answer. So, I can use x equal to find the value of y. So, substituting x equal to the equation 2. That's easier, ne? X is 2, no? I will just do the substitution in one line. Here, in equation number 2, I have 3x, no? So, 2 times 3 means 6 plus 2y equals 16. Now, I will take 6 to the other side. 2y is equal to 10. Then, y will be 5. Very easy. We got the answers x equal 2 and y equal 5. So, in this video, we have discussed the harder elimination part of the simultaneous equation. And in the previous video, we have discussed the simple questions related to simultaneous equations. And also, there are 4 other equations videos, the basics of equations in the playlist also. So, you can check all of those and give me a comment. So, goodbye guys. Let's meet soon with quadratic equation.